Hello art friends, we're going to be drawing the Atlanta Falcons logo. So we're gonna just kind of get this laid out a little bit. It's kind of a little claw thing there. Okay, comes down, back, but it's a little lower than here. That's more straight. And then we got the claw coming out about here with a little triangle in it. Maybe it goes back a little ways. Little V up here. And a little piercing eye. There's a little rectangle inside here. And then we've got all right, here we go. Doing a little marker work. So to start with, I'm gonna make a nice curvy line that comes all the way back here, down and diagonal. Then I'm gonna start with a line here. We're gonna have a little bit of a line there, and then it's gonna come back, diagonal, like so. And then the eye is like a little angle there, and across. And the beak goes like so. Then I'm gonna draw a nice line down here. It's gonna come back up, and then like so. There. Like that. Here. So. Here. And then back. And then we've got, this one's kind of parallel here. This one comes up more, it's not parallel. Like that. And this one is like that one too. Like that. And then you've got your claw. here. There. And there we have it, sports fans, the Atlanta Falcons. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.